Hello and welcome everybody on this interesting topic of solving queries. Friends, all those investors who invest in stock market generally they think that which company we should invest. They get some tip from anybody or they some friend have invested and they have discussed that you should invest in these stocks. People invest in stock market to earn, to make profits or to create wealth. If the stock they have selected is not strong, then the rally would be temporary rally and they might get trapped. So today we are going to learn how to revert the queries. Maybe during the live meeting we receive several queries. We try to revert them. Yes, we are having some temporary groups for 60 days in different cities where our purpose is not to solve the query but to give the reason that why we need to buy at that level or why need to book some profit at that level. Because see, receiving query is different thing. We are not here tip giver. We are in a teaching business. Well, we try to give reason so that once if you are able to identify the reason, next time you can see on yourself. So the main question which comes in people's mind is what tools I will need to answer or to check whether my stock is wrong or right. So friends, you just need two tools and both the tools are free. Number one tool to find your company is good or not is, let me write it down so that you can have it. See, number one tool is the website of bscindia.com. Why? Yes, we are having our own website, but I will not recommend you that website first. Why? Because see, from where we take data from BSC India. BSC India is the parent website for all the data. All the companies are listed at BSC India. Hence, the first result are announced at BSC India. Each and every data you will need. See, since last I think a decade, I never seek data of any company from outside of BSC India. I never ever open any other website other than BSC India to check any data. So all the things which you will need will be there at BSC India. So first is BSC India. This is a free tool, right? The website where companies are listed. And second is investing. Now see, why we use investing? Investing we use for charts, right? This is a free website from where you can see the behavior of your companies, right? So for fundamental checking, you go to BSC India. For charts, you can go to investing. NSE is also having chart, BSC is also having chart, right? In investing, you can have both the type of companies, BSC or NSE, right? Now, what matter the most while checking any company? The first thing which matter in any company, if you have the query on any XYZ company, the first thing that matter is sector. See, companies never rally or company never fall. The thing that rally or the thing that fall is sector. So we need to check that whether the sector where I am investing is growing or not growing. If your sector would be growing, then your stock is also going to grow. If the sector is in muted phase, your stock will be in muted. And if it is from decaying sector, your stock will fall. Correct? Now, if your stock belong to any particular sector, then it doesn't mean that your stock is going to rally. See, all the stocks which are in this particular sector are going to rally. So what we should think that why not buy base stock? Why? There are two stock, XYZ stock and ABC stock in the same sector. Now both are going to rally. But when problem will be coming, the best stock would fall less. The best stock would rally first, and the rally will last long, and it makes huge difference in long term. So do not on just close the eye and buy any share, right? We should check that whether my stock is best or not. So first you checked sector, second you checked whether your stock is good or not, and third thing you need to check that what are the results of your check stock, right? Whether your stock could rally from here or it could fall. If it will rally, what will be your target? If it could fall, what would be your level to buy or accumulate? See, if we just focus on these three things, then also we can identify whether the stock which I am buying is correct or not. So come on, today we are going to check your live queries, right? Why I am doing this live query? Because in future you can check your own. See, don't depend on anybody. We are also here for only 60 days, and what? How you will check your queries? Hmm? Somebody else will check clear your query someday. No, my dear friends, don't depend on anybody. Dependency is not good. Independency is the only method, and it's not really so hard, right? Come on, let me check your query so that you can understand that which factors at least we can see. So today, later, let me take your WhatsApp group, right? So let me check the query. Okay, this is the WhatsApp group. Here I am in workshop group. Okay, Bajrang Lal Agrawal from Kolkata. इससे पहले तो किसी का क्वेरी नहीं है. कुंथू डेली निफ्टी व्यू. यस, मैं भूल गया था यार. यस यस. राजेंद्र सावंत on TRF. Rajendra Sant from Mumbai and Bajrang Lal Agrawal, Cosmo Industries, right? Okay. Let me check this both queries and this one also. So Bajrang Lal Agrawal have raised the query for Cosmo Film that and yes, Bajrang Lal is a CA in Kolkata and he knows that Cosmo Film is the supplier for Britannia industry, right? So see, first thing where I should go to BSC India. Cosmo Film, if I am not wrong, is from container and packaging industry, right? So they may be packaging for Britannia as per Bajrang Lal ji. Yeah, see, they are from container and packaging industry. Until the time which I know container and packaging industry, that this is not so much outperforming industry. We were expecting that this industry should grow well, but no, we have not seen good growth during last many years. Even after this all online companies, we were thinking that this industry should grow, but no, they are not growing. So this is a very small company. It's all right. Smalls are also good, but industry is not outperforming yet. What is there? These are the result. See, as you can see, turnover has grown from 1500 to 2000 crore. What does it say to? That the sales is growing by just 2 to 3%, and this is not outperforming growth. If your sales are growing just by this in such a slow pace, then your profit will be not growing because costs are growing. See, your profits have grown. They were 5 years back just 108 crore, 112 crore. Even during their latest result, their profit are same 100 crore. So why profits are not growing? Because sales are not growing. Sales are not growing, profits are not growing, and what is the hurdle here? Interest. The company is paying around 50 crore interest. It says that debt is high. If they are paying 50 crore interest, it means that they would be having around 500 crore debt. So 500 crore debt is not a small one. I agree that the whole thing which is shown here in interest may not be the debt, right? Because since last year, even that what we can say that rental is shown in this interest, right? The lease income is lease expense is also shown in this interest, but we can understand from here that this is not a debt free company and debt is high. This is eating their profits, and profits are not growing due to two reasons: debt and the non-growth of sales. So what is our first thing? Sales should be growing by at least more than India. India is growing by 8%, your sales should be growing by 10%. And that is the reason Cosmo has not outperformance, right? Overall, I will say this industry is not outperformance. See, let us check behavior on this chart. This is the chart of Cosmofilm, right? See, what I understand from this chart is that since 1994, 5 till 2015, the share was moving in the same range. It was not able to move above 185, right? And it was since 2002 to 2014, in fact, the share was moving in the range of 50 to 185. For how many years? From 2002 to 2014. So 12 long years, people who have waited would have only waited. For long 12 years, the share has not rallied. Yes, it gave a breakout in 2015. All right. Now see, the breakout, why it gave breakout? Because yes, after the long time, their sales would have increased. Now the stock is moving in the upper range. It have moved from the range of 50 to 185. Now it is trading in the range of 185 to 450. So we should understand from its past behavior that stock moves in the range for a very long period of time. 2002 to 2014 means it may remain in the range for long 15 years. So in future also we may see that this company may not move above range for long time. Right? क्या होगा ना बजरंग लाल जी, अपना टाइम बहुत वेस्ट होगा. Now, why it is moving in range? Because sales are not extraordinarily growing. If the same company would be moving by 15-20% CAGR, आपका शेयर जबरदस्त चल जाता. तो देखो, अब चलेगा तो हर कोई जब बाजार चल रहा है, right? Your all stock are going to rally. This was the good range. Why this was the good range? This was the old resistance. Your old resistance became new support. So 170 is the good range to buy. Even you can buy near 200. If you want to buy, go during any type of fall near 200. 450 could be upper limit. If you have, should book some profit near 450 and should buy during another fall. What I will assume, मैं सोचूंगा बजरंग लाल जी ये ऐसे ऐसे थोड़ा समय घूमता जाए. ये 150 से 450, 450 से 150 थोड़े समय रहेगा. कब तक? जब तक कि अर्निंग, ये अर्निंग पार नहीं होती है. जब तक हम 150 करोड़ के प्रॉफिट नहीं देखेंगे तब तक ये शेयर अपनी रेंज नहीं छोड़ेगा. राइट? तो कुछ समय ये रेंज में रहेगा. बाय नियर 150, बुक प्रॉफिट नियर 450. फर्स्ट थिंग आई विल लाइक टू टेल, अवॉइड इट. एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी नहीं है. कितने अच्छे सेक्टर है जहां पे हम और ज्यादा कमा सकते हैं. पर मैं आपको मना करूंगा, ये यहाँ चलेगा. आप बोलोगे मेरे को मना कर दिया था आपने, है ना? देखो, चलेगा तो हर कोई, पर हर कोई चलेगा वो थोड़ी ना लेना है अपने को. हमें तो एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी आउट परफॉर्मिंग स्टॉक लेना है, राइट? सो फर्स्ट थिंग, गो फॉर सम आउट परफॉर्मिंग इंडस्ट्रीज विच इज एटलीस्ट एबल टू ग्रो द सेल्स बाय 10-15%, है ना? ओके. एंड सेकंड, our company should be less debt, right sir? So now let us move to नेक्स्ट क्वेरी. इसका क्वेरी था, चलो देख लेते हैं. दूसरा क्वेरी किसका था? प्रवीर भाई का था, है ना? प्रवीर जायसवाल फ्रॉम दिल्ली. सर प्लीज एडवाइस इंडिया मार्ट एंड जस्ट डायल. ओके, सो इंडिया मार्ट एंड जस्ट डायल. इंडिया मार्ट देखो, अगेन प्रवीर भाई, इफ वी विल लुक टू इंडिया मार्ट, ये इंडिया मार्ट करता क्या है? India Mart, Just Dial both belong to same sector. Both are from publishing sector, right? नाउ अब तक हम पब्लिशिंग यानी क्या देखते थे? टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया is a company from publishing. Divya Bhaskar is a company from publishing. These all companies were from publishing, but they are degrowing, they are decaying. अब हम धीमे धीमे लोग ऑनलाइन मीडिया पढ़ रहे हैं. नो, आर नॉट रीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर्स. तो न्यूज़पेपर इज एन डिकेइंग इंडस्ट्री. फॉरेन में तो बंद होने को आ गई है. इन इंडिया ऑल्सो सेम हाल है. सेम. आप देखोगे सारी जो भी न्यूज़पेपर की जो कंपनियां हैं, दे आर नॉट एबल टू ग्रो देयर बिजनेस बिकॉज आवर स्टाइल इज चेंजिंग, राइट? सो वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स डिजिटल वर्ल्ड. इन डिजिटल वर्ल्ड में अभी अगर ये कुछ चेंजेस खुद नहीं लाएंगे न्यूज़पेपर वाले, तो उनका कुछ नहीं होगा, राइट? नाउ हियर इंडिया मार्ट जस्ट गॉट लिस्टेड last year, so this year they would be having their first year of listing. Just let me show you what is the difference of latest technology and old technology. See, Divya Bhaskar, DB Corp. DB Corp कितना पुराना कंपनी है, राइट? बड़ा कंपनी है, डूइंग 2000 करोड़ टर्नओवर. हिंदुस्तान मीडिया वेंचर्स कितना पुराना अखबार है ये, 800 करोड़ का टर्नओवर. द न्यू कमर इंडिया मार्ट अभी तो पैदा हुआ है, 600 करोड़ टर्नओवर. इतनी जल्दी ये लोग पहुंच गए वहां तक. व्हाई? बिकॉज दिस इज अ ग्रोइंग इंडस्ट्री. यस, सेम योर जस्ट डायल आल्सो कम्स इन द सेम सेक्टर एंड दैट इज आल्सो इन अ हाई ग्रोथ. सी, दिस इज जस्ट डायल. Yeah, just dial doing turnover of 1000 crore. So they are doing more than some of the old media. एस चंद, ये अपना पुराने, नाम भूल गया मैं इन लोगों का. ये एक फेमस, हम इनकी किताब पढ़ते थे जब स्कूल में थे तब, राइट? सो दे आर डूइंग नथिंग टर्नओवर एंड दिस जस्ट डायल एंड इंडिया मार्ट आर डूइंग गुड टर्नओवर. व्हाई? दे आर इन हाई ग्रोथ. टीवी कोड का ग्रोथ नहीं है. दिस इज अ डेट फ्री कंपनी, वेरी गुड क्वालिटी कंपनी, बट एज दे आर नॉट ग्रोइंग, दे आर डिकेइंग. As India Mart, Just Dial, these companies from publishing, these are growing, right? So Just Dial just came with IPO last year, good company. Sorry, India Mart, huh? India Mart, a good company. They are debt free. Let me show you. See, they are debt free. खर्च 3 करोड़ का कर्जा ये लोग इंटरेस्ट भरते हैं, 150 करोड़ प्रॉफिट करते हैं ऑन द इक्विटी ऑफ 28. सो दैट्स गुड थिंग, राइट? इंडिया मार्ट क्यों अभी आया, जस्ट डायल क्यों पहले आ गया? थोड़ा थोड़ा एक जैसा दोनों का धंधा है, पर जस्ट डायल वाज मेकिंग प्रॉफिट सिंस लॉन्ग टाइम. इंडिया मार्ट केम इन प्रॉफिट just 2 years back, and that is the reason they came in equity market with IPO just 2 years back, right? So yes, they are good company, they are good growing. Let me show you just quarterly result. 160 करोड़ पिछला जून. देखो, you are, can you see consistent growth, right? Even in quarter. तो ग्रोथ तो इनका बढ़िया है. जब आईपीओ आया था, आई हैव ऑलरेडी रिटन, लेट मी शो यू व्हाट वाज द ग्रोथ ऑफ इंडिया मार्ट. मैं क्या करता हूँ, मेरे पास थोड़ा डेटा भी रखता हूँ. जब भी कोई कंपनी लिस्ट होती है तो डेटा इसलिए रखे कि भाई फिर बार बार सर्च ना करना पड़े कि वो क्या करते थे. दिस इज माय रॉ डेटा फॉर दिस. सी, दिस इज इंडिया मार्ट. कैन यू सी देयर ग्रोथ? 2015 they were doing 1761 million turnover. So it was 180 crore, 250 crore, 300, 400, 500, 600. So it is called as consistent growth. They were making losses. Be prepared. अब भी प्रॉफिट में आए, कल लॉस में आ सकते हैं, है ना? तो ऐसा मत बोलना क्यों इंडिया मार्ट लॉस में आ गया, वो तो लॉस ही कर रहे थे अब तक. बट सी, इफ यू कंपेयर इट विद जस्ट डायल वाज मेकिंग प्रॉफिट सिंस अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. उन्होंने पिछले इतिहास में 10 साल में कभी भी लॉस नहीं देखा है, राइट? बट दिस इज अ बिग क्वेश्चन कि ये जस्टाइल का जो सिस्टम है, जैसे वो लोग धंधा कर रहे हैं, क्या ये सही में आगे चलेगा ऐसा? क्योंकि अब तो सबके हाथ में मोबाइल आ गया है. सी, दैट वाज द टाइम व्हेन इंटरनेट वाज नॉट सो मच हाईली एक्सेसिबल. देखो, अभी लोग अपने आप भी सर्च कर लेते हैं. दिस इज जस्ट डायल. सी, दे आर डूइंग टर्नओवर ऑफ 1000 करोड़. 1000 से 1092 इज नॉट अ गुड ग्रोथ, एवरेज ग्रोथ है. क्यों इनका ग्रोथ पे दाग लग गया है? व्हाई? राइट, दैट इज अ बिग क्वेश्चन. द ग्रोथ हैव बीन म्यूटेड इन रियल टर्म. such growing industry should grow by 20%. We were expecting 20% growth, but it is not seen here. Just Dial is also a debt free company. आपने डिफरेंस देखा पुराने अखबार और आज की नई कंपनियों में डिफरेंस क्या है? दे आर न्यू स्टिल दे आर डेट फ्री, उनको बहुत बड़े कर्जे की जरूर नहीं है, दे आर गोइंग गुड प्रॉफिट. तो यस, जस्ट डायल इज गोइंग वेरी गुड प्रॉफिट, बट स्टिल यू विल नॉट सी इफेक्ट इन शेयर. देखो इंडिया मार्ट का तो ग्रोथ बहुत अच्छा है, साल का तो शेयर भी चल रहा है. इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर इंडिया मार्ट, सी राइट नाउ इट्स इन करेक्शन, मंदी का माहौल है, कोरोना का इफेक्ट है. देखो यहाँ करीबन इसको लेना चालू करो. 1650 क्लियर चार्ट में दिख रहा है ना, 1650 से पहले नहीं लेने का. इट कैन फॉल इवन टिल दिस 1200 लेवल. सो होल ऑफ दिस रेंज 1650 to 1200, प्रवीर जी, शुड बी योर एडिंग रेंज. ये जो है 2500 शुड बी योर टारगेट शॉर्ट टर्म. ये थोड़े समय इस रेंज में घूम के ये फटेगा और 3000 को भी पार करेगा, पर आपको लेना कब चाहिए? लोअर रेंज के अंदर 1650 to 1200. अब अगर हम जस्ट डायल का देखें, देखो जस्ट डायल तो बहुत टाइम से नहीं चल रहा है. बिग क्वेश्चन, व्हाई इट इज नॉट हैविंग गुड 20% ग्रोथ. देखो किसके पास है? अगर किसी ने आईपीओ के समय पे लिया था अराउंड 600, स्टिल इवन आफ्टर 6 ईयर इट्स ट्रेडिंग एट 400, तो पैसा उल्टा लॉस कर दिया जस्ट डायल में, तो है ना. देखो कौन है जस्ट डायल में, किसके पास शेयर है? आदित्य बिरला म्यूचुअल फंड, एचडीएफसी म्यूचुअल फंड, सब म्यूचुअल फंड 8-8% लेके बैठे. 14% स्टेक इज विद म्यूचुअल फंड. what they have earned nothing during last 6 years, right? So don't think that मैं लेता हूं और शेयर नहीं चलता है. It is not like that. See, these all people have been accumulating shares in long time. They have earned nothing. This company have even not paid dividend since last 10 years. See, FIIs, how many? 42% stake is with FIIs. Everybody are hoping, expecting some good thing from Just Dial, right? Just Dial's history says they are definitely a good one, debt-free company. They were growing good, but now their growth has been muted, so there is a big question mark. But still, you can understand. So many huge FIIs are having all the people with no income since last so many years, right? So what we can do? Yes, India Mart is growing, or Just Dial is growing. If you want to buy Just Dial, buy at lower level. It's clear it is not moving, right? 300 could be a good price to add Just Dial if you already have, right? And you should definitely book profit near 750. Why? Because it's not growing. If your stock would be growing, then no need to book profits, correct? Let me close this query and move further. Okay, so next query is by Rajendra Sawantji. Hello, and how are you, Rajendra ji? See, whenever I talk with you, Rajendra ji, Praveer Bhai, Bajrang Lal, it gives a good feeling. So, Rajendra ji, can you throw some light on TRF Limited? Since March, it has shown momentum. Okay, definitely it would have shown momentum, but all shares have shown momentum since March, Rajendra ji. And as this sector belongs to industrial machinery, if I am not wrong, TRF sector is not outperforming sector, and in fact, this whole sector is struggling since last many time. See, yeah, it's from industrial machinery sector. See, the result you will see that they are not able to in fact grow. Growing? No, their business is not growing since long time. In fact, they are having huge debt, right? They are not making profit since long time. Now, why to go with any loss-making company, right, Rajendra ji? If we would be having this company, no dividend would have received, है ना? पहली चीज देखो, इंडस्ट्रियल मशीनरी का तो ग्रोथ है ही नहीं. अगर इनका नहीं है फिर भी कोई कंपनी अगर ग्रोथ कर रही है, वी कैन गो विद देम. नाउ दिस इज हैविंग नो ग्रोथ. Absolutely don't look even to this company. They are not making profits. People would be waiting since 10 years. See, at least Just Dial was making profit. There is a hope. Here, loss making company से दूर रहो यार, है ना? They are making losses. नहीं 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 नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं यार, है ना? देखो, if you will see chart, I can bet that this has loss making history, right? See, this is half history. Let me check if there is full history on BSE. See, this is the full history, right? देखो, during 2006 to 2010, this stock was moving in this range, right? Let me make it dark so you all can see. See, this was the range of TRF. It used to move in the range of 80 to 1000. So there was huge momentum during rally, right? Rally में बोल सकते थे 10 गुना करके दिया. But as this stock is not having good history of profit making, investor are feared. फॉल भी वैसा ही आता है, 1000 से 80 आने में इसने सोचा नहीं. रैली में वापस 80 से 1000, फॉल में वापस 1000 से 80. वी कैन से यस, 80 से 1000 आया था, पर क्या मिला? इवन आफ्टर long 7 to 8 years, stock is again at same place. Our stock should not be like this. At least they should upgrade themselves from 100 to 1000 का रेंज है, अभी वो 1000 से 10,000 के रेंज में चलना चाहिए, right? Why it can go? If it would be making profit, yes, then definitely it can go. Now, as this share is making losses, see what happened this time during rally. It even didn't went till 1000. ये 500 तक ही गया. तो 100 से 500 जाना एक नॉर्मल चीज है. 5 गुना हुआ. आप देखोगे कई जगह पे समाचार आएंगे, ये शेयर 5 गुना हो गया, आपने मिस किया. अरे कुछ मिस नहीं किया, ये सब समाचार से दूर रहने का. 100 से 500 हुआ, वापस 500 से ये देखो आज कितना आ गया, 80 रुपीज, right? Even it is trading below the level of 2006. What does it mean? This company is making profit or sales even below 2006. 15 साल पुराने धंधे कर रहे, हरगिज नहीं लेने का इन कंपनियों को. Yes, you can say राजेंद्र जी that it is railing. अब ये कितना चल रहा है? 40 से 80 डबल हुआ. ये क्या करेंगे डबल को? जब गिरने का मौका मिलता है तो हम निकल भी नहीं पाएंगे इन शेयरों में से, right? Please avoid it. I can see limited upside till 100 और 150, पर ये वहां से गिरेगा, मेरे ख्याल से 25 रुपया आ जाएगा आने वाले 5 साल में. Avoid it, right? Okay, so this all 3 queries we have cleared from this group at least. इसके बाद कुछ था क्या? Nothing. Let me move to next group. Okay, so very good Karan Raj ji. You have updated your study of TCS and Britannia. Wonderful work, right? आपने क्या किया है? Let me check your work. So happy to see your spreadsheet. Good. Full history of Britannia is with you. You have even inserted your current result. 3 month लिखा ना? Good. यहाँ पे मैं Q1 कर दूं करण राज जी. Okay. Right? Q1. So Q1 result you have inserted. Now see this packaged food industry, you have grown by 27%. सब छोड़ो ऐसा ही देखने का. एक तरफ you were having those industry which are not able to grow. Here is the company. Here this full industry, check Nestle result, ऐसा ही दिखेगा आपको. So during lockdown, people have used these packaged foods, right? Largely. You can see the impact here. 26% growth during lockdown is not a normal growth. Huge growth in Britannia, and that is the reason the profit have grown by 100%. ये तो फटेगा. Double immediately. Double से भी ज्यादा चलना चाहिए ये, right? So that's good. I know many of you have already accumulated Britannia during last falls, and in fact, we are in this company since this time, 2008 to 2010. Many people have hold. This company have grown consistently, and that is the reason we have never booked profits. Even इधर भी कोई profit book करने का जरूर नहीं था. See, some people during lockdown, देखो lockdown में नहीं पता था क्या चल रहा है. So this stock have also fallen from 3600 to 2300, right? But now we are not going to see same price. Why? Because we are not same to see same profit. अब आपका ये शेयर अपग्रेड होगा we should have at least this much target. Karan Raj ji, 8300 का टारगेट है ब्रिटानिया का. what we can do, we can add during fall, right? ये जो जगह है ना जहां से ब्रेकआउट आया है 3500 to this 3200 is also good thing. Try to add. ट्रेडर रिमोर्स आएगा. एवरी शेयर फॉल आफ्टर रैली, तो कुछ करेक्शन आए. एड ड्यूरिंग दिस. Have this 8300 target for next 2 to 3 year. Highway is clear. It is going to rally, right? Okay. So Vijay Chaudhary, sir, there is confusion in my mind regarding total income revenue Bandhan Bank. In above sheets it's showing. Yes, you are absolutely right. ड्यूरिंग बंधन बैंक सी आपने भी यही कहा है विजय चौधरी जी, और मुझे इन्होंने भी कहा था, ये नांदेड़ से जो है अपने दोस्त है ना, सी ही हैव आल्सो रेज्ड द सेम कंसर्न. सो दैट्स गुड. सी आई हैव अपडेटेड द रिजल्ट बट देयर वाज मिस्टेक इन द फिगर, राइट? सो यू हैव करेक्टेड मी. थैंक यू वेरी मच टू बोथ ऑफ यू. देखो ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, राइट? Why you are able to know? Because you know. So that's good thing. Don't depend on anybody. कोई भी गलती कर सकता है, right? So I have corrected my mistake. Thank you very much, Vijay ji. Next, let us move to this clients group. कमल भाई गलती से डाल दिया लगता है. Vasudev ji, okay. So there is no recent query here. Let me proceed further to next. Okay, है क्या इधर कुछ भी? Mahesh bhai from Patan. What's your view on IGL and Tata Motor? IGL is a extremely growing company from growing industry. See, this is a very good growing industry from utility. Now, utility क्या है? देखो IGL हो, महानगर गैस हो, गेल हो, these all are good one. See, this IGL को कहते हैं utility non-electric. Actually, they are supplying gas to homes. IGL is in Delhi. Mahanagar Gas is in Maharashtra. Our Gujarat Gas is in Gujarat. These all companies are providing gas line to us. Delhi is the one of the fastest growing city of India, and it will be world #1 populated city till 2030. It is going to overtake New York and Tokyo, right? So fastest growing cities for company could not be slowest growing, right? Still there are so many areas where still this is to be provided. और ये तो खाली दिल्ली है. In coming time, the same thing will be provided to all the cities of India. Huge growth is expected to either IGL, MGL, कोई भी एक company portfolio में चाहिए. GAIL is the parent company of all of these companies. Either you can buy GAIL, you can have IGL, Gujarat Gas or MGL, have any one company, right? See, it's a debt-free company, no debt needed for this business. They are having wonderful growth. See, this is growth. मैंने कंटेनर पैकेजिंग में क्या कहा? It was low growth. का धंधा ही नहीं बढ़ रहा था. Here you can see their business is double during last 4 years. That is the reason their profit is 3 times during last 4 years. अगर धंधा डबल हुआ, प्रॉफिट 3 गुना हुआ, तो शेयर कितना बड़ा होगा? देखो 80 to 500 10 गुना बढ़ गया है पिछले 5-6 साल में. इट्स ऑल राइट. वी कैन एड दिस शेयर नियर हियर. 400 रुपीज इज योर एडिंग रेंज. 400 आता है, ऐड कर लो. आई विल एक्सपेक्ट दिस शेयर टू मूव इन द रेंज ऑफ 500 to 400 फॉर शॉर्ट टाइम. देखो इसकी आदत नहीं है लंबा समय आराम करने की. कितना आराम किया था इधर? छोटा आराम. इधर भी वी विल एक्सपेक्ट अ स्मॉल रेस्ट पीरियड, right? But after this rate you will see huge rally, correct? So accumulate, buy more. टाटा मोटर दूर रहो यार. सी एक ही क्वेरी लेने दो क्योंकि दूसरी भी सबकी क्वेरी लेनी है. आई विल जस्ट से दैट दिस Tata Motor belonged to the industry which was good growing since last 3 decades, but is in challenging mode during last decade, during last 2 to 3 years, 3 years, right? But still, Tata Motor was not able to take the benefit of the same thing. They were not able to take benefit of this rally, right? So now let me move to next query. So we will go to, let me write down here, profit one. Let me see this profit one group. Muhammad Kamal, excited to become member of this group. Thanks a lot, sir. Use and profit from it team. Yeah, welcome, Muhammad bhai. See, let me make it high clear. I will not check latest query, right? What I majburi hai. What I will have to do, I will have to see the query which I have addressed last, क्योंकि मुझे कंटिन्यू करना पड़ेगा, राइट? आई एम सॉरी दैट आई विल नॉट एबल टू सी द क्वेरी, समीर जी, राइट? नहीं तो लोग बोलेंगे मेरी क्वेरी आपने नहीं ली. सो व्हाट आई जनरली डू, आई check the last query which I have addressed. Yes, मोहिंदर पाल गुप्ता जी ने कहा है क्वेरी सॉल्व करेंगे, नहीं हो रही है. देखो क्वेरी मेरे को लाइन टू लाइन ही लेनी पड़ेगी, है ना? See, which this was the last query which I have addressed. So thank. Okay. What is the future? Right? देखो ये क्वेरी हमने ले लिया. So I am going to next query from Pavnish Makani is from Chandigarh. What is the future of Opto circuit holding since last 6 years? April 2020 started rupees 2 only to rupees 18 into 1 month rally. Any suggestions? Pavnish bhai. जी. This is the company from medical equipment. Yeah, see here, medical equipment, a very small company. Company was not able to grow during last several years. See, I know this company since last 10 years. Many people have bought this company during even 2010. What happened? That company was not able to grow. And due to that particular reason, this company was not able to make profit. See, first thing, इक्विटी कितना है? 300 करोड़ का इक्विटी. अरे क्या करते हो 300 करोड़ का इक्विटी का? 300 इक्विटी इज ह्यूज इक्विटी. कितना हुआ देखो, 10 रुपए का फेस वैल्यू है, 300 करोड़ का इक्विटी है, मींस इट्स हाई रियल. 30 करोड़ पार्टनर आर देयर, 30 करोड़ शेयर्स आर देयर. योर 35 करोड़ प्रॉफिट इज गोइंग टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट इन 30 करोड़ पार्टनर. हर एक के भाग में 1-1 रुपया आएगा. Here you can see your earning per share is 1 rupees 20 paisa. Let me show you. अभी हमने कंपनी देखा IGL कितना धंधा करता है, यू नो, इंद्रप्रस्थ गैस, राइट? दैट वाज अ डेट फ्री कंपनी. दे डू 7,000 करोड़ टर्नओवर ऑन द इक्विटी ऑफ 140 करोड़. तो 150 करोड़ रुपया इन्होंने इकट्ठा किया कंपनी चालू करने के लिए. 150 करोड़ के पैसे से they are doing 7,000 crore turnover, and here your Opto, they have 300 crore fund, more than IGL, and doing only 100 crore. पूछना चाहिए इनको क्या किया ये रुपए का, right? Don't go, this all are wealth destroyer, friend. See, अब आपने बोला ये 2 से 18 आया, अरे वो सब थोड़ी ना आया, रैली है. 2 से 18 आता रहता है, ये सब तो बाजार में चलता जाएगा. सी, ड्यूरिंग 2003 it have rallied from 2 to 200. तो ये तो आप तो 80 की बात कर रहे हो, राइट? इट हैव रैलीड टिल 200. पर फिर क्या हुआ उन लोगों का? 200 से 50 आने में भी इसको टाइम नहीं लगा. अगेन फ्रॉम 50 टू 200 एंड 200 टू 80 रैली कर. कहां से रैली किया था? 2 ना. अगेन फ्रॉम 400 टू 2. क्या मिला 15 साल ये शेयर रख के? Your share during IPO was 5 rupees. Today 10 rupees. राइट। इससे तो ज्यादा 5 के मेरे ख्याल से 15 एक तो एफडी में हो गए होते अब तक, है कि नहीं है? So why to go with this type of company? See, every company will rally during rally. यहाँ पे भी आप देखो, this has rallied from 17 to, sorry, during 2014 also it has rallied from 17 to 50. तो क्या हम बोलेंगे ये बढ़िया रैली था? People have trapped at 50 and then it fell till only 1 rupees 45 paisa. Yes, right now it's rallying. What can I expect? You will see limited upside till this level. If you are holding, we need to book profits during the range of 40 to 250 and let's say goodbye for life long to this type of company and go with some good one. ये रैली यहाँ से क्यों कर रहा है पता है? बिकॉज इट इज एट द सेम लेवल ऑफ 2004, सो इट्स अ गुड सपोर्ट, सपोर्ट मिला है. वी मे सी रैली टिल 50, एग्जिट एट 50, 50 से गिरा 1 रुपया आ जाएगा इस बार के फॉल में, राइट. अवॉइड दिस टाइप ऑफ कंपनीज, राइट. So Pavli ji, your query has been addressed. Now there are several more queries, but मेरे को क्या करना पड़ेगा? I will have to go to next group. So profit to line लेते ताकि कुछ भूल नहीं जाए. Here also I will have to avoid Rajiv ji your query and check which was the last query which we have addressed. Here it was Dipankar जी का query लिया था AB Capital का. Here it is. Jitendra Singh Singare, please explain me why Info Edge profit volatile. जितेंद्र जी कहाँ है? मैं तो स्क्रीनर कभी देखा नहीं यार, इसलिए थोड़ा समझना पड़ेगा स्क्रीनर को. ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट, नेट प्रॉफिट, देखो इधर लॉस किया था, इधर लॉस किया था, पर ये क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट है कि एनुअल है, राइट. आई विल नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. जाने दो ये स्क्रीनर को, मैं बता देता हूँ आपको जितेंद्र भाई से. ये जो आपका इन्फो एज है, that is one of the best company of internet because right now there are several companies, Make My Trip, Book My Show. This is the upcoming industry of India. बहुत बड़ा इंडस्ट्री ये बनेगा, इमर्जिंग इंडस्ट्री, ग्रोइंग इंडस्ट्री. लेकिन देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम इन दिस इंडस्ट्री, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द कंपनीज आर मेकिंग लॉसेस, इसीलिए उनका आईपीओ भी नहीं आया. एज वी विल सी द कंपनीज मेकिंग प्रॉफिट, वी आर गोइंग टू सी देयर आईपीओस. नाउ Naukri is the company which is Naukri or InfoEdge, whatever you see, this is the company which is the company only making profit in this sector. That is the reason they are in this business, right? But see, this sector is emerging sector with very low margin. They are making losses many times. Naukri has also done losses many a times. We can't expect high consistency in such emerging sector where 99% companies are making losses, right? But this is the future of India. They have invested in several companies. InfoEdge, मतलब Naukri.com, India's number one Naukri's company. 99acres.com इन लोगों का है, राइट. और शादी वाला साइट जो है, अब नाम भूल गया उनकी साइट का, दैट इज देयर वेरी गुड. They have even invested in this the ad you are saying, पॉलिसी बाजार में इनका निवेश है, अच्छा खासा इनका स्टेक है. जोमेटो में इनका स्टेक है. सो दे आर डूइंग गुड. पर ये ग्लोबल मेल्टडाउन है, खराब समय चल रहा है, ये टाइम पे कई कंपनियों ने लॉस किया. सो व्हाट दे डिड लास्ट ईयर, दे बुक द लॉसेस, राइट. दे सेल देयर स्टेक इन दैट लॉस मेकिंग कंपनीज एंड नाउ दिस वाज देयर फर्स्ट सिंगल टाइम लॉस, और अब हम इसमें प्रॉफिट बढ़िया देखेंगे. सो दैट इज द रीजन इन्वेस्टर्स को बुरा नहीं लगा. इन स्पाइट ऑफ मेकिंग लॉसेस द स्टॉक हैव नॉट फॉलन. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट वाज रीजनेबल. दे बुक लॉसेस. हर साल लॉस करे इससे तो बढ़िया है लॉस वालों को हटाओ. तो जो आप करते हो एज ए इन्वेस्टर, वो इन्होंने किया. दे बुक देयर लॉसेस इन लॉस मेकिंग एंड दे आर increasing their stake in profit making companies. So that's good thing. Don't worry, Jitendra ji. Right? See, this is your Naukri.com. बढ़िया चल रहा है अभी भी, right? What I will expect during fall, buy near this place. 1700 के आसपास आता है और माल उठाओ. इसकी आदत नहीं है बहुत आराम करने की, एक आध साल आराम करता है. करंट रेंज इज 300 to 1700, 1700 to 300, 5000 देखेंगे इसको अगले साल ही, राइट. Let me move to next query. Okay, so let me move towards the next group. It's a profit from a three group. Three, okay. Sudhir Modi ji, your query is sorry. I will have to take those which were not answered line to line. But see here, I will like to request to whole group. For example, Sudhir Bhai have raised the query for HDFC Life. Now, if I remember, just I have cleared this query 5 to 10 days back. Somebody have already, other person have asked. So the level doesn't change daily. At least the levels are for 6 months to 1 year. So what you can do, if for example Sudhir Modi might have entered late in this group, some old all those participants who are in this group since long time can even search in their database this HDFC Life. What they can do, let me search. Is this the HDFC Life I'm looking for? Okay. See here it is. Rajan Chawla have raised the query. Uh, this was the query raised by Rajan Chawla, right? But query HDFC Life query have not been answered. Here it was on 27th. We have updated the result of HDFC Life. So if you were since 27th, what you can do, just click the data, right? See, here is the result of HDFC Live. What you can do, you can copy it and paste it here so that any new person joining can be updated. Bajaj consumer, see Sudhir bhai, I have just updated the same day. You asked raise this query 10/6. I have already given the detail of some company, some trending companies. Here is Bajaj consumer. At 7:58, I have already answered, and same query is there. Right, so what you can do, just whenever you have some query, just go to your group, search your company. If maybe might be you can get the answer from this group itself, right? And believe me, level doesn't change for at least 6 months to 1 year, right? Now let me move towards the last query which I have answered. It was Manish Bhai's query on Apollo Finvest. So now I will have to go to this OK Pandita's query. Piyush bhai, I have invested in Hero Motor and Maruti. Now let me make it short. That Hero is a good company, a low debt company. Already Hero have created huge wealth for their past investor. Both of these company have created huge wealth. But this company belongs to auto, and auto is in muted phase since last 2 years. Right? Now some person have raised the query for Tata Motors. See, at least Hero and Maruti have performed well when India was in growth. Tata Motor was not even performing when India was performing. So instead of going with Tata Motor, these two companies are better. But Hero comes from two, three-wheeler, Maruti comes from cars. In cars, Maruti is based. In two, three-wheeler, Hero Motor is not based. Based is Bajaj Auto, right? Why we can say Bajaj Auto is based? See, just you can check it. This is Hero Motor Corp. I don't know any screener. I don't know any other site. BSC is best. What I will do, see, just I went to Bajaj Auto and I'm checking the fundamentals. See, Bajaj is having better margin. They both are having same turnover. Right now, if Hero is having double turnover than Bajaj, then it's all right. I will say that Hero is having better market share. But no, both are having same market share. Still, why Bajaj is having better margins? It's very simple. Why Bajaj is having better margin? Because Bajaj is in some type of product where they are having huge monopoly. Right, in auto rickshaw, they are world number one rickshaw maker. In Indonesia, South African countries, they are throwing their products in all those other emerging countries. There are several countries which are going to grow in coming 15 years, and Bajaj have focused on those countries, right? So yeah, are having better margin because they are having monopoly there. So here you can see, even in the performance, same thing will be reflected. See, Hero, here is Hero. See, Hero have fallen from 4,000 to 1500. Now it has recovered till 2700, right? So before Hero will recover, Bajaj will recover. As you are having, as you bought at 2500, it's good. No need to worry at all in Hero also. You can add in the range of 2000 to 1500 during any type of fall. Just add more, you will able to sell it near 4000, right? The Hero. But I can say that Bajaj will have lifetime high first, then Hero. Why? See, it's it outperforming. Hero was here, Bajaj is here, right? So Bajaj will be having lifetime high first, right? You know why? We have checked their fundamentals, right? Maruti, again, Maruti is also good, right? But see, in both of these companies, you can see here is Hero. Their sales have decreased last year, and the effect you can see in the in their price of Hero, right? Bajaj sales have not decreased like Hero, and that is the reason Bajaj have not fallen like Hero. Now, Hero and Maruti both are suffering. Their both businesses are down, and that is the reason huge correction. See, from 84 to 88 during 2019. Now, this was a muted growth, not a good growth. This was good growth, right? 88 to 79. Now, till the time we will not see this uptick, अगले साल से जब तक धंधा बढ़ेगा नहीं, प्रॉफिट बढ़ेंगे नहीं, तब तक हम लाइफ टाइम हाई नहीं देखेंगे. इनफैक्ट वी नीड लाइफ टाइम हाई सेल्स, लाइफ टाइम हाई प्रॉफिट टू सी Maruti cross its lifetime high prices. Lower prices, lower sales, lower profit will lead to a lower price. So what we can do? Yes, you can add it in the range of 5000 to 3900, right? Should book profit near 7500 if sales are not increasing. For example, if 6 months from now you see the sales are increasing, then forget it, no need to book profit. Got it? So now let me move to next query. Here I have answered this 27th date query. So we are moving so late now. Let me take one more query from this group. Yeah, Bharat Piplani ji from Chandigarh. You raised the query for housing finance, right? See, housing finance, if I will see, this is Indiabulls Housing Finance. See, I will show you two sales. This is Indiabulls Housing Finance. It has fallen from 1400 to 300. We agree that current scenario is not good for finance companies. Why? It's a struggling time. Global economy is muted. World has decreased its growth from 5% to 2%. In this corona phase, it is going to be minus 5%. So at that time, finance company would be struggling because recovery are harder, right? Now, during this struggling time, your India will have shown his color. Check the color of HDFC. HDFC is also struggling, but it has fallen limited, right? So कुछ लोग कहते हैं ये तो बहुत चल गया है, जब टूटेगा तो बहुत टूटेगा, ऐसा नहीं होता है. Your small companies are going to fall more because right now also HDFC is doing better business than Indiabulls. What should we do? Housing finance अच्छा ही sector है. In India, huge urbanization is going to come. What we can do? Have one company in our portfolio from housing finance, but not like Indiabulls, like HDFC. We can add near 1500 this year. If you are holding Indiabulls, then there is a risk. What you can do, see, right now it's railing. If you are holding, I think we should book the share near 500. अब 200 का 500 डबल तो हुआ है, right? ऊपर के लिए हुए तो है, then also we should book it near 500 and we should divert this money to HDFC in fact, right? पर जब तक ये 500 आएगा HDFC लाइफ टाइम है लगा देगा, बराबर कि नहीं? तो गो फॉर बेस्ट भरत भैया. एक तो हम लिमिटेड पैसा डालते हैं, लिमिटेड कंपनी रखनी है, फिर क्यों कॉम्प्रोमाइज करें? क्यों? कोई भी कंपनी में चलेगा ऐसा करे, राइट? कोई चलेगा नहीं. गो फॉर बेस्ट. ओके. Okay, so let me move towards next query. Here's the profit 4 group. Okay, it's profit 4. Let me do same method. Let me check which was the query which I have answered last. Yeah, to Vishant Batra from Chandigarh. Here it is. So Vishant ji, see, मैंने ये क्वेरी आपका दे दिया है, राइट। तो अभी मैं थोड़ा आगे बढ़ता हूँ। ओके, मजा आ गया था सुपर 21 में यार। स्टूडेंट्स ने बहुत बढ़िया प्रेजेंटेशन दिया। आई वाज रियली हैप्पी। जीनियस। ओके, गुरु पूर्णिमा के इस पावन अवसर पर आदरणीय पीयूष सर को सादर नमन। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जी आपका। थैंक यू राजीव जी, सुरेंद्र जी। विशाल गुप्ता टुडेस कॉल सर, अरे भूल गया मैं, नहीं लिखा था है ना, मैंने लेट अपडेट किया 9/16 को। बहुत बार माइंड से निकल जाता है, राइट। लेकिन ये डेली निफ्टी जो है, वी जनरली अपडेट एट वेबसाइट डेली, तो वेबसाइट पे तो अपडेट हो ही गया होगा, या अभी मैंने थोड़ा लेट अपडेट किया। थैंक्स फॉर रिमाइंडिंग विशाल जी। अंकित त्यागी, डियर पीयूष सर, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग, या गुड मॉर्निंग अंकित जी। Need your help on FCL. I am stuck at 48 and current price is 30. Okay, तो FCL यानी Phenotex Chemical. So this company is from Specialty Chemical. This is not a large company. Phenotex Chemical एक बहुत छोटा सा small cap company है. Yes, it's a small cap company from Specialty Chemical. Now, Specialty Chemical is a very high growth sector. तो सब कंपनी चलेगी, तो फंस नहीं जाने का। हमें लगता है सब चल रहा है तो सब चलता है, राइट। लेकिन चलते समय को मत देखो। चलते समय में सब चल रहा है, टूटने के समय पे निकल नहीं पाएंगे, ऐसा सब टूटेगा, राइट। तो दोनों तरफ देखो ना, नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव, वी हैव टू सी बोथ ऑफ दिस थिंग्स। फिनोटेक्स इज नॉट एन एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी कंपनी। सेक्टर अच्छा है तो ये भी चल रहा है, राइट। सी अ वेरी स्मॉल बिजनेस। देखो जनरली बहुत छोटे धंधों में क्या प्रॉब्लम होता है, दे आर रीजनल प्लेयर, दे आर हैविंग लिमिटेड क्लाइंट्स। अगर कोई एक दो प्रोडक्ट में प्रॉब्लम हो गया, योर बिजनेस इज स्टक, तो हम क्यों इतना रिस्क ले। वेल, यू आर हैविंग गुड कंपनी लाइक पिडीलाइट फ्रॉम द सेम सेक्टर हु आर डूइंग 10,000 करोड़, ठीक है नहीं, तो बेस्ट कंपनी में जाओ ना। ये सब कंपनी में रिस्क बहुत रहता है, राइट। नाउ यस, दे आर अ वेरी लो डेप्ट कंपनी, मैं मानता हूँ इस चीज को, लेकिन यार प्रॉफिट्स आर नॉट इंक्रीजिंग। देखो 22 करोड़ का 18 करोड़, 15 करोड़, कुछ ऐसा अच्छा ग्रोथ नहीं है। स्पेशलिटी केमिकल की कंपनियां तो जबरदस्त ग्रोथ करती है, राइट। क्या है इसका बिहेवियर चार्ट पे, फिनोटेक्स केमिकल, बीएससी पे देख लेते हैं, राइट से, राइट। चला, जबरदस्त टूटा। तो इसकी ये हैबिट को देख लेना, जब मार पड़ती है तो भयंकर पड़ती है। ये इसकी पुरानी आदतें है। वापस रैली, फिर बढ़िया चला। ये बढ़िया क्यों चला है, क्योंकि पूरा सेक्टर चला है, होल स्पेशलिटी केमिकल है, वो परफॉर्म वेल। तो धंधे सबके बड़े, इसके भी बड़े। अगेन मार पड़ी तो पुरानी आदतें वापस आ गई, जबरदस्त मार पड़ी है, राइट। नाउ व्हाट वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट, सी आपके पास कौन से भाव के पड़े हुए, 48 ना। 48 तो कोई दूर का भाव नहीं है, आप इसको वापस यहाँ पे तो देखने वाले हो, राइट। वी आर गोइंग टू सी रैली फ्रॉम करंट 25 टू 80 लेवल, राइट। बट स्टिल आई विल सजेस्ट गो फॉर पीडीलेट, दैट इज बेस्ट वन। जब बाजार रैली करेगा ना, अभी तो बाजार करेक्शन में है 3 साल से, व्हेन मार्केट विल मूव, द स्टॉक विल टेक यू टुवर्ड्स 80 रुपीज, राइट। बट बुक प्रॉफिट एट दैट टाइम, निकल जाना यार इसमें से। ऐसा नहीं है कि जबरदस्त लंबा वेल्थ क्रिएटर है, प्रॉफिट हो सकता है, ओके। ये फाइनोटेक्स में पता है किसका इन्वेस्टमेंट है, अमिताभ बच्चन के पास भी शेयर है। और उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि उन्होंने लिया तो हमें लेना है, सबके कुछ कारण होते हैं, राइट। देखो दैट चेक करना है कि नहीं उनके पास। देखो अभी मिल जाएगा, अमिताभ बच्चन, कैन यू से अमिताभ अरविंद बच्चन, उनके पास बहुत पहले से ये शेयर थे, राइट। 5% स्टेक था उनके पास। कितने हैं, 12,52,000 शेयर ही वॉज हैविंग। धीमे धीमे बेचते चले गए। देखो अभी उन्होंने 2016 में भी कुछ शेयर बेचे, एंड स्टिल इज होल्डिंग अराउंड 6 लाख शेयर्स, राइट। बट हर एक के कुछ कारण होते हैं, दूसरों को कॉपी नहीं करने का, राइट। ओके, so let us move towards next query. Okay, what's next query? Next query, fifth group. Let me go. Which was the last answered by me? It's here. Dinesh Singh's query was there on ISAB India, right? So, Narayan Das Bansalji, sir, please give your expert view on PNB. Yeah. The Punjab National Bank, this is a government bank, and we have seen huge underperformance from not only PNB but majority of government banks since last 10 years. Right? Majority of banks are full with NPA burdens. We should make a clear idea that private bank here are for making profits. Government bank, apart from profit making, they are here also to serve the underserved. So we can't say why you are not making profits all the time. They have to serve underserved. They have to serve those sector which are the priority sector. There is risk, but if we will not lend them, then India could not grow. So that is a burden on government banks. They have to provide some finance to those priority banking sector. So definitely NPAs are high. Now for any bank you will see here it is PNB Bank. Let me check. Punjab National Bank, if you will see, since last many years, they are making, see, they were making losses since long time, and that was the reason that shares have not performed. See, this is Punjab National Bank, right? अभी कौन सा भाव चल रहा है? The price is what? The same price was 2013. 15 साल पुराने भाव, 17 साल पुराने भाव आ गए, right? If you have, definitely you can add more. As economy will move, improve further, you will see good improvements in government banks also. But I will not buy PNB. Why? Since whole PNB bunch, only SBI is good. See, just compare it. PNB is trading at the price of 2003. Now let me show you SBI. Where is SBI? SBI is trading at the price of 2009. So why so much huge difference? Why SBI is ahead? PNB is trading here. SBI is trading here. SBI in fact is trading in the range of 150 to 300. Since last 5 years, I am adding these shares always whenever it comes near 150. This time also I have added. And what I expect that in coming 5-10 years, I am going to see these shares towards 1000. See, it's very clear. They have made a good business, good franchise in life insurance. They are doing very good. Number one. In general insurance, they are doing good. In AMC, they are almost number one. So what are they doing? They have created several other business which are also performing. Credit cards are doing good. Your Yes Bank, 50% stake is with SBI. Right now, Yes Bank is not performing. In 5 years, we will see Yes Bank also make 10,000 crore profit. So what will happen? 5,000 crore to SBI. We will see SBI cross 25,000 crore profit in next 2 to 3 years. When should I repeat? Yeah, we will see SBI cross 25,000 crore profit in the next 2 to 3 years. Got it? So definitely should add SBI. Now, see PNB, Bank of Baroda, and all other banks have not created such franchising. Why? SBI was doing good in this whole field and they have not done. That's a big question. So why to go with those banks which are only doing the standalone business? Today, life insurance companies, AMC companies are giving 30,000 crore sales to their parent banks. Maybe HDFC, maybe ICICI, or maybe this SBI. We will see the time when banking will be 25% and this other business will be giving them 75% profit. So SBI is on the right part and the wealth creator. PNB so, right? So can divert from PNB to SBI, right, Narayan Das ji? Okay, so let me move to your sixth group, profit from its securities. हेमंत जी, ब्रिटानिया का पूछा है, देखो मैं यहाँ जवाब तो नहीं दे सकता, बट गुड, यू आर डूइंग वेरी गुड. ऐसा ही फोकस रखने का, किसका प्रॉफिट बढ़ता जा रहा है, राइट? देखो अभी हमने यही वीडियो में डिस्कस किया है उसके लेवल, तो उसमें से आपको पता चल जाएगा बाइंग प्राइस, टारगेट. लेकिन अगेन कहूंगा, ब्रिटानिया इज एन आउट परफॉर्मिंग कंपनी. अभी आप पूछ रहे हो कहाँ लेने का, अभी नहीं लेने का ना. अभी कैसे लेंगे? जब बाजार टूट रहा था, दैट वाज द टाइम. ये लिस्ट पहले से बनाना था कि ये सब कंपनियां बढ़िया है, मेरे को तो एक्यूमुलेट करना ही था. सो वी नीड टू बाय द स्टॉक्स व्हेन other people are not interested during correction mode. Now this stock have entered into rallying mode, right? Let me move to the query which I have answered last. देखो यहाँ पे भी इनका क्वेरी है अशित कपूर का, इन्होंने मेरे ख्याल से 6-7 बार पूछा है, बट आई एम एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी। देखो मेरे को भी अच्छा नहीं लगता है कि ये जवाब नहीं दो, लेकिन आगे की बहुत पेंडिंग है, आई कांट राइट डाउन हियर। अब क्या करो ना अक्षत जी, देखो जो प्रॉफिट फ्रॉम इट का जो साइट है ना, उस पे ऑलरेडी हमने ये दिया हुआ है। देखो ये साइट पे गया मैं, आई विल लॉग इन। देखो ये सेक्टर दिए हुए, गो टू वेल्थ क्रिएशन, ये अलग अलग सेक्टर्स है। फॉर एग्जांपल ये मैंने अपडेट 2 किया, यहाँ पे कंज्यूमर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आया। अपडेट 3 में देखो क्या है, अपडेट 3 में तो निफ्टी 11 है। अपडेट 4 में कौन है, आईटी की कंपनियां आ गई, ब्रेवरेजेस, इंटरनेट कैटेलॉग कंपनीज, स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक, ये कौन है, हेल्थ केयर सर्विसेज, हेल्थ केयर की कंपनियां डॉक्टर लालपत जैसी, डिपार्टमेंट स्टोर। देखो डिपार्टमेंट स्टोर मैंने कल ऐड किया, यहाँ पे पहले फार्मा था। तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि जब भी सेक्टर यहाँ अपडेट करते हैं तो उसकी बेस्ट कंपनी के नाम, बाइंग लेवल सब लिख देते हैं, एक्सपेक्टेशन इधर से सीधा मिल जाएगा आपको, है ना। यहाँ पे थोड़ी वेट करनी पड़ेगी मेरे जवाब की, राइट। लेट मी गो टू द लास्ट, यस हियर इट इज। ये तो हमने जवाब दे दिया, लेट मी मूव फर्दर। ओके, गगन जी एंड मिस्टर Pereira are discussing good. Discuss some healthy discussion. Thank you. Now I will not able to download this विनय जी, है ना, क्योंकि टाइम हो गया ना, तो नहीं कर पाऊंगा अभी ये मैं डाउनलोड। पता नहीं क्या भेजा है आपने। Okay, here it is. CA Navdeep Sarpal from Chandigarh. Sir, I have taken ICICI at 342 and it touched to 380. Yeah, around these days back, now again at 340. Right, around. Should I accumulate more or wait for further downfall? नवदीप जी देखो, सबसे पहले यस, दिस इज अ प्राइवेट बैंक। प्राइवेट बैंक इज अ हाई ग्रोइंग इंडस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया, बढ़िया बढ़ रहे। प्राइवेट बैंक में है एचडीएफसी बैंक, आईसीआईसी बैंक, कोटक बैंक। दिस ऑल आर वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट बैंक जो धंधा कर पा रहे हैं। लेकिन प्रॉफिट देखो तो आईसीआईसी बैंक के प्रॉफिट इतने अच्छे नहीं है जितने कोटक के हैं, राइट। सी, let me check it here and show you direct a huge difference. Here is HDFC Bank. हम लोग नवनीत जी 10 साल से कह रहे हैं कि ऐसे मत लो, and there is a huge reason behind it. Let me show you an important factor. कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ, नहीं आ रहा है, नो प्रॉब्लम। ओके, ओ आ गया था। For everything I use only and only PSA India. Let me add Kotak Bank here. So this is Kotak Bank. Now see, it's high clear. सबसे बढ़िया धंधा कर रहा है HDFC बैंक, इज नंबर 1, राइट। HDFC एंड ICICI आर नंबर 1। अब ये तो दोनों गवर्नमेंट है, इसको हटा देते हैं। कोटक बैंक तीसरे नंबर की बैंक है। प्रॉफिट अगर आप देखो तो कोटक और आईसीआईसी बैंक के ऑलमोस्ट एक जितने। अब धंधा इनका 3 गुना, पर प्रॉफिट फिर भी क्यों ऐसे? क्योंकि कोटक कम एनपीए से धंधा कर रहा है, आईसीआईसी बैंक के ह्यूज एनपीए है, right? So HDFC is a very good bank. You can see their margin 23%, Kotak 22%. Why? These both banks are well managed with lower NPA. ICICI बैंक ओनली 11% मार्जिन, ऐसा थोड़ी चलेगा यार। अब सब एक ही धंधा कर रहे हो, सबके एक जैसे मार्जिन होने चाहिए। Why this bank are having better margin and that also double margin than you? ये आज से नहीं है, मैं तो 2010 से देखता हूँ, इसलिए आई हैव ऑलवेज अवॉइडेड दिस बैंक। HDFC इज बेटर और कोटक इज बेटर। आप अगर इनके रिटर्न भी कंपेयर करो, देखो ICICI बैंक, आई हैव पुट इट इन द चार्ट, राइट, हियर इट इज। सी, दिस इज द होल परफॉर्मेंस सिंस, दिस इज हिस्टोरिकल परफॉर्मेंस। ये 2008 की मंदी है जिधर से बहुत मार पड़ी थी। इन 2008 इट प्राइस वाज 260, राइट। It took long, how much year? 6 years to come out from this bear market. Then also it was not able to move. It came after this bear market after 10 year. 10 लंबे साल लगे आईसीआईसी बैंक को मंदी से बाहर आने में। तो याद रखना, हमेशा ये बैंक की आदत है, बहुत ज्यादा समय खा जाती है मंदी में। देन इट रैलिड, अब वापस जब समय आया कोरोना का, अगेन इट फेल और जबरदस्त उठा है। अरे यार, ये 2008 के लेवल पे आ गया नवदीप जी। यानी अगर 2008 में शेयर मेरे पास थे, आज है तो मेरे तो वही वैल्यू है। मैं क्या कमाया इससे? तो एफडी में होते तो मेरे पास पैसे बनते हैं आईसीआईसी बैंक में। व्हाई दे आर अंडर परफॉर्मिंग? ड्यू टू देयर मैनेजमेंट, ड्यू टू देयर फंडामेंटल्स, एनपीए। जस्ट कंपेयर इट विद एचडीएफसी बैंक, ह्यूज आउट परफॉर्मेंस यार। सी, दिस इज 2008, 200 रुपया प्राइस था। एचडीएफसी को खाली 2 साल लगे मंदी से बाहर आने में, ड्यू टू देयर फंडामेंटल, एंड दैट वाज द रीजन वी सो ह्यूज रैली। ये खराब समय में भी हमारा भाव 10 गुना है 2008 में जो था। तो लोगों ने कहां पैसा कमाया? बिकॉज दिस इज वेल मैनेज्ड बैंक विथ लोअर एनपीए। आईसीआईसी बैंक को मौका मिला, वो टूट के 2008 के लेवल पे आ गया। स्टिल योर एचडीएफसी बैंक इज ट्रेडिंग एट बेटर प्राइस, राइट? सो अब आप बोलो, हम अगर 10 साल का प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं तो देखो, चलेगा तो आईसीआईसी भी, चलेगा तो ये भी। लेकिन यार फिर 10 साल बाद भी यही हम बोले कि बहुत अच्छा नहीं कमा, इससे तो एफडी में मिला होता, तो वो अच्छी चीज नहीं है। गो फॉर बेस्ट, इवन कोटक इज बेस्ट। सी, दिस कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक, ये भी 2008 में इसका भाव क्या था, आज क्या है? व्हाई आईसीआईसी हैव नॉट परफॉर्म? ड्यू टू देयर एनपीए, ड्यू टू देयर मैनेजमेंट। तो सीखे पास से, भविष्य में प्रॉफिट अच्छा करना है, we need to check Kotak and HDFC Bank. Right now, let me move again to ICICI Bank. If you are holding ICICI Bank, what can we expect? मेरे हिसाब से खराब समय में, अगर ये समय ऐसा चलता गया, दिस शुड बी योर बेस्ट बाइंग रेंज। पूरी जो जगह है 260 to 211 शुड बी योर एक्यूमुलेटिंग रेंज। 250 से 200 की रेंज में इकट्ठा करो। हम आईसीआईसी बैंक को 423 का प्राइस इस साल या अगले साल देखेंगे। तो यहां लिया होगा तो फायदा होगा, ऊपर के भाव पे लिए होंगे तो नहीं मजा आएगा। accumulate in the range of 260 to 200. Your target should be 420. You should have targets, but if you are having HDFC or Kotak, no target, just accumulate during fall, right? So see, we have tried to revert some of the queries. अभी थोड़ा, अभी निकल जाते इधर से, राइट? नाउ अगेन वी विल टेक योर क्वेरीज फ्रॉम मंडे, राइट? एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी फॉर दोज पीपल। देखो, यहाँ पे मैं 29 तारीख की क्वेरी तक पहुंचा हूँ, बहुत क्वेरी बाकी है, बट सी, दिस इज द वे what I will like to tell you. See, even I don't keep this mobile or WhatsApp every time and like, क्या आया? See, after all, you and me, we have to all have to focus on study. I have to invest my time in study. I study myself daily. So let me end today's meeting by a story of a woodcutter. A new boy was appointed as a woodcutter and he started his job with huge excitement. On the first day, the woodcutter cut down 18 trees. His boss was extremely impressed and said, "Well done, keep it up. You are our best woodcutter yet." Motivated by his boss' word, the woodcutter tried even harder the next day, but he only cut 15 trees. He was not able to understand why my performance was decreasing. The third day, he tried even harder, but only cut down 10 trees. He went to his boss. He said, "I am trying harder, but why I am not able to cut the trees? Why my figures are decreasing daily?" His boss took him to the smarter cutter. He said that just check the habit of this cutter. Just don't do hard work. Do what he is doing. He went to that another woodcutter and he saw what he was doing. After every 5, 10 trees he cut, he invested his time on sharpening his axe. He was not only doing hard work, but he was doing smart work by sharpening his axe. as he was investing his time in sharpening the axe, his axe was sharpened and he was able to cut more trees in lesser time. Same thing we have to do. We have to sharpen our axe. How can we sharpen our axe? By books, by reading annual reports, by reading the results. Right, friends? Don't just watch TV and try to see what they are saying. Try to sharpen our own axe, because anybody can be stolen, anything can be stolen. But the knowledge which we have gained could not be stolen. It is yours and will be with you for life. मैं भी पढ़ता हूँ, right? So I invest some 1 hour in your queries, right? What we can do, आप लोग क्वेरी को ढूंढ सकते हो, ग्रुप में से हो सकता है, ग्रुप में से मिल जाए, हो सकता है वेबसाइट से मिल जाए, या मैंने आपको तरीका बताया है. जस्ट ट्राई टू डू दिस इन वे. मुझे जब नवनीत जी ने आईसीसी बैंक बताया, सो व्हाट आई चेक, बेस्ट कंपनी कौन सा है, सेक्टर क्या है, और फिर हम भाव पे हैं, राइट? सो वी नीड टू नो दैट आर डू वी हैव सम अदर अल्टरनेट स्टॉक्स फ्रॉम द सेम सेक्टर, राइट? सो go in this way, friends. Try to solve your query yourself. Try to करे, right? नहीं तो हम तो है. Okay, so thank you so much and best of luck to everybody. जय हिंद.